When a bus company decided to build their corporate headquarters in Olean, New York, photographer Les Howard turned the construction into a creation. Transitional photographs of 1 Bluebird Square, Olean, New York, is a similar project that Mr. Howard has worked on for 29 years. Documenting the build from bare lot to grand opening, Mr. Howard has converted 792 of his photographs into digital images for his book. Fascinated with the telling of a story in numbered photographs and captions, Mr. Howard provides the full scope of the process, from groundbreaking and excavating to building of forms and pouring concrete. His detailed images will stir your imagination as each page further develops the building into being its own character, growing with the help of photography into an exciting structure with a life of its own.